No, undoubtedly, we have the talent in the team. They can show it. They've been showing it at least in the preseason. We know that they're capable of that. Siguro yun, the mix na is what you call the recipe. Because, for example, this NU team, if you look at this NU team closely, it just so happened that Palashalo and Humamay got trusted to execute. And they had that willingness and bravery to execute in that moment. And if they miss that, they'll be fine. Right now, I'm not seeing even that willingness and bravery to a lot of our players. And maybe that's what the fans are demanding. Maybe you see it in Kian, maybe you see it in Jacob, maybe you see it in Mike, but maybe it's a call to the other guys. It's not saying it's not there all the time. You can see Marisiga, Dungo, Diana doing the extra mile. But of course, it's their role now. Their roles now in the team are not just for fulfilling that extra mile responsibilities. They are part of the core now. They're part of what makes up a good part of this team. If your principal attacking options couldn't deliver one way or another, either they're cold or they're getting checked, it's up to you to take up the cudgels.